Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Saturday the 2nd of September, Kingswood. Actually bought a couple of things. Yeah. And I picked up a vape. In fact, if you think about it, I pay £1.49 for that, 49p for that, so just short of £2. And the battery in that one is probably worth that if you were actually trying to buy one from China or something. The LiPo battery in there, certainly worth £1 or so. So I probably paid for that by picking that up. Not that I need any. I got far too many of them already, but if I see a good one laying in the road, I still pick it up. Right. Okay, I've done quite a few of these, but I don't think I've done this specific one. Forklift truck. I definitely did the road roller a little while ago, and I think I've done the loader. I don't think I've seen the dump truck. I had a quick peek inside, and it's unopened, undone. So I'll stick that one in the car, and that'll be one of those ones I do when I'm sitting in a car park waiting for Nanny. Yeah, pleased with that. And then the other thing just highlights how random things can be in charity shops. I mean, panel meter. Originally priced at £1.99, then reduced to 99p, reduced right down to 49p, so that made me happy. Assuming it actually works. Got some washers and some nuts to go on the back there. Positive, negative. That'll be the actual fixing screws to go into some sort of panel. Should go up to 50 volts. And that little screw there is for adjusting your zero position. I suppose we just try and put some volts on it just to see what sort of reading we get. Right, I've rigged up some connection leads here. So, negative to negative, positive to positive, then a 2S LiPo. Yeah, that's showing about 8 volts on there. S lithium ion. That's showing about 12 volts. And then my 3S LiPo made from vape batteries that I have in that little Maxtronic car that I'm playing with, that I converted to hobby grade. And stick that in there. Yeah, that's showing about between 12 and 13 volts, so that one's freshly charged. So yeah, rather pleased with that. I really don't have a lot of use for it, but for 49p, a completely random item in a charity shop, I'm pleased with that. So I'll pop that back in there. I'll show you a bit of video now. Just filmed something I spotted in the charity shop that I didn't buy. It was a spider kit. Remote control in that you clap your hands to start it moving. What was interesting for me was I found one years ago in a charity shop, ready-made, not in the box, and it took me quite a while to work out how it worked, that it was clap operated. And so I'll show you the video of the box in the charity shop, and I'll just use it as a reference video for the videos I did of the spider. So I'll put a link to the playlist for that spider, if that makes any sense. So this is for reference only, this bit. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.